Good morning, Kevin from Wellbuilt Company here. Just wanted to take a second this morning, guys, and talk about proper construction and demolition practices. I am on my way this morning to Marlborough, Massachusetts, to one of our 3 locations on Main Street. We're getting ready to perform demo on an old commercial space, 2 actual units side by side, in a building that's over 100 years old. And prior to actually letting the guys go there with the equipment and the sledges and machines to knock down the building, we wanted to make sure that it was actually safe to do so. Massachusetts has the DEP, Department of Environmental Protection, that monitors and oversees, impact on environment, which can be anything from contagions to like asbestos. So what we had is this building, this 100-year-old building that over the years has had several renovations where they covered over asbestos tile or flooring with more asbestos flooring, and we have what looks like 6 layers of contaminated surfaces. We also have the mastic behind the paneling, we have the asphalt roofing, that all could generate or create an unsafe condition to the local residents, the local schools, and the people living and working in downtown Marlborough, if we were not responsible to get rid of it properly. So what we have done is we brought in one of our subcontractors, Penner, from Testall, who went through the building, lab tested all the samples, identified what had asbestos, and from there he generated a report that we forwarded along to Jimmy Nett of National Abatement, and they are going through removing any of those contaminated agents. So once they're complete, what they will provide us is an air test, which basically is, as it sounds, proves that the air and the agents within the building are safe. And at that point we'll have our guys go there with the heavy equipment and machinery and knock the building down. Now, reason for explaining this, everybody that I talk to, very often they'll say, it's just demo, bring a machine and knock it down. Well, that's not really the case when you're looking at people's health, people's safety. So, the one other thing that you really need to keep in mind when you do consider knocking down a building is, you don't want the DEP stumbling across you or the building department finding out that you're doing something that hasn't been tested properly, because if you're mid-construction and they stop you, they will heavily penalize you with massive fines. So proper construction and demolition practices, real simple, is one rule: be safe, be responsible, get it tested, make sure that there's no asbestos, anything that's going to harm your guys, the environment, or the people around you. And once you've cleared, once you've been given approval, go ahead and knock the building down. Use your glasses, use your gloves, use your equipment, use safety fencing, anything you can use it. Construction, you get one chance to do it right. Alright, anyway, enough from me, guys. I hope this helps. Hope it actually helps somebody before they do some demolition to take the right steps. I will keep you guys posted on the project as it progresses. I'll post some renderings of the finished layouts of apartments when we get closer to it. I'm almost here, so I'm going to say goodbye. Have a great day. Stay safe.